What's the best way for a job shop to sell to an OEM? It's obvious, face-to-face. Because this is the best way to sell custom parts and services. Hi, I'm Brenin Mucci and I'm at the Design-2-Part show, and I'm here to give you an opportunity to find new customers. People often ask, if I exhibit, will I get orders? Truth is, nobody can guarantee business, but I can guarantee the right audience. You're gonna have your design engineers, chief engineers, manufacturing engineers, your purchasing managers. They're all here to find new suppliers and learn new technologies. They even bring their parts, their prints, and their problems. And you know what? You have the opportunity to solve those problems. And that is the best kind of client there is. The type of exhibitors we have range from machining, 3D printing, castings, assemblies, they're all here. And we have room for you. We have opportunities for every manufacturing process out there. You name it, it's here. This is what it's all about, face to face.
What made you come to the show today? What were you looking for?
Pretty much just a fact-finding to look for alternate suppliers, additional suppliers.
We're looking for job shops, machining.
Or looking for experts in the field. So I was able to find some people that were coding expert.
Find new vendors.
I was coming looking for specific O-ring suppliers.
Places to do prototyping.
Sheet metal fabrication, metal finishing.
Is it your first time to this show?
No.
So you've been coming for years to our show here?
Yeah, maybe like 4 years.
How far did you come to get to this show?
It's about an hour drive.
So if it's your first time exhibiting, I don't want you to be nervous. We will walk you through every step of the way. When it comes to your booth, we provide everything you'll need, which is your tables, chairs, carpeting for both aisle and booth, side and back drapes. Everything's included. If you need a banner or a booth design, we can do that for you too, because we have in-house professional designers. So in national shows, you get lost. It's all about the big booths and the bright lights. This is a regional show. We consider ourselves a working show. What a working show is when you can actually spend the time to talk to an attendee face to face. One of the advantages of being face to face is you actually get to pick up these parts, feel and touch them.
How do you feel about the fact that they have actual physical parts? Does that
It's
help?
100% necessary that they have physical parts to display. Like we were just talking about a couple parts that we needed machined, and we needed an example of what we needed machined. So we picked up something off their table and said, how long does this take?
I tell all my new exhibitors, bring your best parts to these shows so engineers can explain their problems and let you know what they're looking for. And you get to help them out on the spot.
Have you ever come to a show with a specific problem and that you could talk to somebody and they could solve it for you?
Yeah, like now.
Everybody coming here probably has some sort of problem. This is a good place to get it going, get it rolling.
And the face-to-face time is important in developing business relationships, and this is a great place to do it.
It's good to meet the face-to-face, and then you can kind of get that feel for if you interact well, as opposed to over the phone, and then you find out it's not working so good.
You can do virtual meetings all you want, Zoom meetings, Teams calls. It's not the same as being in the same room with somebody.
Yeah, I agree with them too. That's the strongest form of communication, meeting people face to face and discussing what you're looking for and seeing how they can help solve those issues.
I know it's not easy to convince your boss that you should be exhibiting, but you know you should be. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna help you out. We have many videos shot from the show floor so you can show your boss what it's all about. And I'm gonna give you the attendee list from the previous show so you can see the quality of the attendees that come through the door. You'll see job titles and company names, because we wanna make sure the boss is happy.
Oh yeah, 100%. Like you have to come here.
And because it's smaller, many more of the vendors are more local.
You're an engineer, you should definitely come here.
I would say pretty successful.
Yeah, I recommend the Design-2-Part show. It's great.
So if I piqued your interest, let's get a dialogue started. Give me a call. I'm at extension 145, and I'm Brenin Mucci. And let's start getting you some new business.